We have been talking about the Indian DPDP Act and the grievances justice system. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the Appellate Tribunal, the tribunal formed to take care of escalations if the fiduciaries and principals are not happy by the decision taken by the Data Protection Board of India. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you daily see new content on data privacy, and as I said, we are going to talk about the pillar of the DPDP Act, the Appellate Tribunal, who is going to take decisions in case you are not satisfied with the decision taken by the Data Protection Board of India. So what's the Appellate Tribunal? Telephone Regulatory Authority of India Act was passed in 1997 and a tribunal was formed under Section 14. That tribunal is now acting as a body to take care of the escalations where people are not happy with the decisions taken by the Data Protection Board of India. The principle as of law goes back to the data fiduciary if he is not satisfied with the processing or any of his data subject rights, and if he is not satisfied by the response of the fiduciary, he escalates it to the board, and if he is not satisfied with the response of the board, he has the next escalation point as appellate authority. Similarly, if the fiduciary is not happy with the kind of penalty he is imposed or any other decision taken by the board, he can also go and escalate it to the appellate tribunal formed under the Tri-Act 1997. So this is the higher authority of escalation beyond the Data Protection Board of India. The key purpose is the specialized platform which is there to address the grievances raised against the decisions of the Data Protection Board of India. Appeals can be made by any individual, it can be made by any organization. In the technical language of the Privacy Act, appeal can be made by any principal or any fiduciary. The focus of the Appellate Tribunal is to uphold the principles of justice and provide a natural fairness in all data privacy related matters. Fairness may have already been provided, Tribunal is reviewing and may be revising or revisiting the decision if in case it feels so. It ensures accountability and fairness in dispute resolutions related to the data privacy issues of the Data Privacy Act. The key elements of the tribunal is that it has to accept cases. What kind of cases are eligible? Monetary disputes over penalties. The fiduciary thinks he has been over penalized. There is a decision on compliance and the fiduciary is not happy with the decision on compliance. And there is a breach investigation which the board has not decided very well. Similarly, the principal is not happy with the decision of the board related to data subject rights. So the breach investigation has not been done properly, either as noticed by the principal or by the fiduciary, and they can file an appeal at the Appellate Tribunal. The timelines for filing the appeal is within 60 days of the date of order sanctioned by the board, the Data Protection Board, and this 60-day limit can get extended if the sufficient cause is shown by the filing person. The filing person goes and says, I have this reason why I was not able to file an appeal within 60 days of the decision. The tribunal may feel that the cause is justified and they might accept the appeal even beyond the 60-day limit. The importance of the tribunal is to point the escalation. It acts as a point of escalation beyond the board. It acts as a dedicated court for the data privacy matters. The importance there is not that it acts as a court, it acts as a dedicated court, which means that the privacy cases are not merged with the civil courts otherwise. Therefore, the resolution timings are better when you are through the Appellate Tribunal instead of the standard mechanism of filing cases in the courts. In fact, Appellate Tribunal is considered as the entry-level court legal system in this case, and it incorporates complete digital infrastructure for the accessibility, transparency and streamlined processes related to handling matters of the Privacy Act. The tribunal decision, as I said, is like the decision of a civil court. So it is acted or executed as a decree passed by a civil court in case of the privacy matters defined under the DPDP Act 2023. The detailed rules of the Act are yet to come, but this is the basic introduction to the Appellate Tribunal that has been formed under the guidelines of DPDP Act, already formed under Section 14 on the Tri-Act 1997. So that's about the introduction to the tribunal. I hope you like the content of the video. Please press the bell and the like icon. Share your feedback in the comment section and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as we are going to continue discussing about more details about the Appellate Tribunal itself. Thank you.